And now we'll tell you why Rahul Gandhi chose Rai Bareli. Now, according to Congress sources, Rai Bareli is safer for Rahul Gandhi, and Rahul Gandhi did not want to engage with Smriti Irani in Amethi, and these are the reasons why Rahul Gandhi chose Rai Bareli over Amethi. Our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh is with us to tell us more about why exactly Rahul Gandhi chose Rai Bareli over Amethi. Pallavi, over to you.
Well, one would have always thought that a logical choice would have been Amethi because, just to make the point that he's not running away and Amethi is his home and he has been an MP from there. But, it of course has come as no surprise, Anjali, but the choice of Rai Bareli is very interesting. Rai Bareli as a constituency, very briefly, was carved out in 1952. It consists of 5 assembly segments. Incidentally, all of them are with the BJP and the SP. So that just goes on to show how the Congress grip on this so-called Gandhi bastion also has been slipping and been crumbling. Feroz Gandhi was the first MP from here, and then on it has been Indira Gandhi, who lost famously in 1977 to Raj Narayan, that is in the post-emergency times. And then of course you have Sonia Gandhi take over in 2004. The only non-Gandhi but the Congress MPs from here were of course Sheila Kaul as well as Arun Nehru, but they were seen as Gandhi family members, so not much of a change or a shocker over there. But why is it that Rahul Gandhi chose Rai Bareli over Amethi? Because Rai Bareli epitomizes the legacy, carrying forward the legacy of Indira Gandhi or the family dharohar, if that's the word we want to use. And Rahul Gandhi, of course, is seen as the inheritor of the Gandhi name in contrast to that of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. So that kind of continuity has been maintained by Rahul Gandhi for taking charge of Rai Bareli and contesting from here. Second, given a choice, he wouldn't want to contest either from Amethi or Rai Bareli. What sources told us is that he kept on saying, I don't want to engage in a battle with Smriti Irani. It would become all about tutu meme, and I would have walked into a trap set by the BJP. But he was convinced late last night by both Mr. Kharge as well as Sonia Gandhi, you cannot give up on a UP seat. You cannot abandon Rai Bareli or Amethi, and that's the reason why he chose Rai Bareli. It's considered to be safer. The party organization, in contrast to Amethi, is better over here, and they don't think that Dinesh Singh can be much of a contender to Rahul Gandhi.
All right, Pallavi, please stay with us. Let's take a look at some political reactions that have come on this story.
से हार के डर से वायनाड चले गए थे, और इस बार क्योंकि उनको दिख रहा है कि वह वायनाड बुरी तरह हार रहे हैं, इसलिए वह रायबरेली आगे हैं। सुनिश्चित वह रायबरेली भी हारेंगे और बुरी तरह हारेंगे रायबरेली भी, क्योंकि ज़मीन पर वह काम करते नहीं और सोचते हैं कि परिवार के नाम पर अब चुनाव जीत लेंगे। दिखता है कि दोनों सीटें इस बार वह वायनाड और रायबरेली की दोनों सीटें हारेंगे।
वायनाड से रायबरेली जाने का क्या लगता है? हालांकि वहाँ से भी चुनाव
वायनाड में वे बुरी तरह हार रहे हैं इस बार, और इस बार वहाँ पर भाजपा का कैंडिडेट जीत रहा है, इसलिए उस डर से वह रायबरेली आए हैं, और वह रायबरेली भी इस बार हारेंगे, ये सुनिश्चित है।
निश्चित रूप से यहाँ विजयश्री हासिल होगी। केएल शर्मा जी उसी परिवार के सदस्य हैं। 30 से 35 साल उन्होंने गांधी परिवार के लिए इसी अमेठी की धरती पर दिया है। पैदल चल करके उन्होंने यहाँ पर काम किया है। एक एक बूथ, एक एक जन, एक एक कांग्रेस के साथी आज जो नेता बने हैं, सब शर्मा जी के साथ एक पारिवारिक रिश्ता रहा है। सबने अच्छे से काम किया है, कहीं इस बात की कोई वो नहीं है। और आप देखिएगा आने वाले समय में वो भी गांधी परिवार के सदस्य ही अमेठी के लोग उनको मानते हैं, जानते हैं, तो आने वाले समय में निश्चित रूप से एक भारी विजय हासिल होगी।
And Siddhant Mishra is also with us on the story. Siddhant, throw some light on what will be the challenges for KL Sharma, who will be contesting from Amethi against Smriti Irani.
Well, look, it is in a way walkover being given to Smriti Irani. Look, KL Sharma knows Rai Bareli and Amethi very well. In fact, he has been handling the two constituencies from a very long time. As we were listening to the sound bite, he knows every booth level karyakarta. He knows every leader of the Congress party. In fact, many of the local leaders, those who have joined BJP now, were in good terms with KL Sharma. Perhaps KL Sharma gave them launch pad on the seat of Rai Bareli and Amethi, but he has never been the face. He has never been the political figure for both the constituencies. He was always seen as an axis to Gandhi family. He's always seen as a member of kitchen cabinet, close confidant of Gandhi family. Now, since he has been asked to contest from the Amethi seat, he doesn't have his own persona as far as political charisma. So he has to rely on his booth level karyakartas, the Congress karyakartas, because he has a good hold on them. So that is his strong point. But the negative point that he has is that there's a lot of baggage, because many people blame Kishori Lal Sharma for the situation of Raebareli and Amethi. In fact, many people, Congress veterans, also say that Kishori Lal is responsible for a lot of local issues in both the constituencies.
All right, Siddhant, please stay with us. We're now being joined by Congress Party's Manikam Tagore on the broadcast. Mr. Tagore, so the decision is finally out, but it has a twist. Rahul Gandhi has been fielded from Raebareli, and there's a sense of disappointment among the party workers in Amethi.
Uttar Pradesh Congress Committee and the Steering Committee in the Central Election Committee has requested that Congress President should decide about the seat for Raebareli and Amethi, and it was left to Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge Sahab. Kharge Sahab has decided that in the Raebareli seat, which Mr. Sonia Gandhi ji has represented, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji will contest from the Congress Party. It's a welcome decision, because Indira Gandhi ji as well as Sonia Gandhi ji has represented the same seat, and therefore Rahul Gandhi ji fighting that election will give a great boost for the Congress and the India Alliance, in particular in Uttar Pradesh. Second, about the Amethi seat has been represented by Gandhis, and Mr. K.L. Sharma, who is the AICC secretary and who has been the in charge of Amethi for long years from Rajiv Gandhi's time, has been person who has been an organizationally well-trained person, and he has been in charge for Rajiv Gandhi's election, he has been in charge of Sonia Gandhi's election, he has been in charge of Rahul Gandhi's election. Therefore, fielding him, Congress President has decided Mr. K.L. Sharma will defeat Smriti Irani ji, and Smriti Irani ji is going to have a tough time searching for another seat in her life.
All right, Mr. Manikam Tagore, please stay with us. We're also being joined by BJP's Shehzad Poonawalla. Shehzad, so Rahul Gandhi from Raebareli, and it will be KL Sharma who will be taking on Smriti Irani from Amethi. Your reaction?
डरो मत कहते कहते अमेठी से लड़ो मत, मतलब कि अमेठी छोड़ दी, अमेठी सरेंडर कर दिया, अमेठी को डंप कर दिया, क्योंकि उनको भी पता है स्मृति ईरानी जी के सामने जीत नहीं सकते. This is the biggest confirmation, madam, that today BJP and NDA is crossing 400, and in Uttar Pradesh we are winning 80 out of 80. Therefore, Rahul ji has no courage to go and fight from his own seat of Amethi. He has to now go to a so-called safer seat. But let me tell you, this is not only a fraud on the people of Wayanad. Even the people of Raebareli have understood that they would rather have an MP who stays with them than an MP who deserts people and runs away to foreign territories every given opportunity. So today you can take it in writing that the Congress is going to lose both Amethi and Raebareli with the decision they have made. But one thing is clear, that look, Rahul Gandhi has dumped Amethi forever. The family bastion which they used to think, they have now conceded that Rahul Gandhi has no courage, he has no conviction to go and fight in the seat of Amethi because of Smriti ji, Yogi ji and Modi ji.
All right, Shehzad, please stay with us. Manikam Tagore, that's the attack that is coming in from BJP, that Rahul Gandhi has dumped Amethi forever as he has no courage to fight against Smriti Irani. Your reaction?
I can only laugh at it, because the BJP guys want what they want to do for us. We know that the 400 par story is over and 300 par is also over, and only in 200 par they are there. And the defeat of Modi is uncertain, and therefore only their frustration comes from to the Prime Minister, to the Home Minister Amit Shah, and to the spokesperson of BJP. They are all frustrated. They know that their time has come to pack off and go to their retirement plans, and we all know that people of India are going to vote them out. And we are fighting Congress. Rahul Gandhi ji is a fighter who has fought many battles, and he